SmartDry Dry Rate Tester can quickly simulate the process of human sweating and quickly determine the drying rate of textiles. It is suitable for outdoor sportswear, coated fabrics, rainwear, diving suits, and so on. The test sample is placed on top of a heating plate at a constant temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, and a certain amount of water rises from the bottom of the instrument to the center of the plate and saturates the sample. An anemometer inside the instrument dries the sample. An infrared temperature sensor measures the change in temperature of the sample to determine if the drying is finished. Then the drying speed is determined by the test drying time. Smart instrument. This drying rate tester can be networked with smartphone, so you can set parameters and monitor test status remotely. Also directly get test results and equipment warning alerts, etc. Besides, you can share the test results with others. Efficient and convenient and more reliable test. With high precision temperature sensor, wind speed sensor, and precision drip device, you can complete the test of drying rate quickly in 10 minutes. The specially designed parallel cross-flow fan makes the wind speed more uniform and smooth, which can restore the actual evaporation process and make the test results more reliable. Simple and easy to use. The whole test process will be displayed on the screen and present it as a clear data curve. Precise appearance design, aluminum alloy hard oxidation surface, durable and easy to clean. 7-inch color touch screen is easy to use. Let us experience SmartDry right now.